In this video, I'll show you how to use a handheld router. The first step is to choose the right router bit for your specific cut. Different bits are designed for various applications such as trimming, grooving, or creating decorative edges. Once you've selected the appropriate bit, make sure to insert it securely into the collet. Use a wrench to tighten the bit properly. Failing to do so can cause the bit to eject violently during the job. Always inspect your bits before use and replace any bent or damaged ones. Working with a bent bit can cause the router to vibrate, affecting the quality of the cut, and continuously working with a bent bit can lead to your hands hurting. Most routers have a depth adjustment knob or lever. However, each machine may have a different method of adjustment. Start with a shallow cut and gradually increase the depth as needed to achieve the desired result. Remember, multiple shallow passes are generally better than one deep cut as they provide better control and help prevent tear out. Use clamps or a vise to secure the workpiece in firmly. This prevents it from moving or vibrating during the routing process. Also, placing sacrificial boards underneath when routing through the material is a good practice to avoid damaging the workpiece. Now hold the router with both hands, maintaining a firm grip and control. Start the router away from the edge of the workpiece and smoothly move it along the desired path, going against the bit's rotation. Remember to take your time and let the router do the work. Some routers come with a router fence, which can be a useful accessory for guiding the router along a straight edge, allowing for precise and consistent cuts. Refer to your router's manual to learn more about using a router fence if your model has one. After completing the routing job, sand the edges of your workpiece for a smooth finish. Depending on your project requirements, you can also use a roundover bit to add a decorative edge or a chamfer bit to create beveled edges. Don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't flawless. With time and experience, you'll get better at using a hand router. Remember to prioritize safety at all times, start with simple projects, and work your way up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome woodworking content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.